I be vibes in this, be vibes in this, vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this.
This is not Japanese. This is Blackanese. What?
Oh, people, me have to laugh. That one you have me. Blackanese. Meet the man who just come from yard. Yeah? Tell me if you have it lock. Want to tell me, no, cause right now watch it. Bogle, bogle, bogle. Bogle, whoa, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. Yo, me nah go run. How the brother you fall from, man? How the man ya? The man just appear on the scene, Blackanese. Yeah, you take it, brother. Me nah go run. He come like his mother Jamaican and his father Chinese. Me no know. You see me and say, but it look like a one boat ride. And a beer vibes are going and beer things and the man just forward out. Now him button up shirt and him short shorts. I don't know what kind of shoes that still, but the man has steps smooth. You sight? Then the man will go so bam, shades cause I'm an island man. So, you know what I mean? The sun a shine, UV ray to him eyeball them, so him a fav. Want him shades to keep out the UV ray, you sight? Yeah, so after the selector they I big him up, yeah? And I give him my energy and I say, alright, Japan. The man say, Erks! Caesar talking. The man distinctively say, with an high energy, convicted to what he's dealing with, people. Want to look on the video good enough. Look, man say, I am not Japanese. I am a Blackanese. And the whole place lift up. You see me and say, it's a new brand. It's a new brand. Me not go around. It's a new brand, like a new brand of people.
Many crews, okay? You like Jamaica? Yeah, man, of course. Me come from Jamaica now. Why not go? You just come from yard? Yeah, man, this is not Japanese. This is Blackanese. What? Stop! You stop it! Time, stand, and stand, can't spoil. Blackanese, jump and shove off your one. What? Blackanese! What's this? Oh, okay. Oh, in a new style, you dance and lift in your hand and the ear with your back. Move to the drum and move to the back. Step forward and come up. Watch out for the new style, we don't want place to go. Pop over that song, you will sing to.
Jamaica have a high influence on the world. So right now I want the people them open them eyes and see what go on. All the little idiot them go out be a foolishness. You need to find some. For your Jamaican you have style. For your Jamaican you have style, you have pattern, you have flair, you have the whole thing. Jamaican finessing. Yeah? This Japanese man, he is so, you know what I mean? I don't know if I him happy. If you know say yeah, him reach a yard and him then one of the hardcore party them. We are play hardcore Jamaican music where he can express himself, you know what I mean? Because I'm telling these people, Jamaican dancehall get a lot of these overseas, you know, fans and dancers and entities who come from overseas. It come like hope, it come like salvation. It come like when them find dancehall, when them find, because remember, you know, the world don't know about dancing, you know, but dancehall, you know what I mean? Dancehall is a free expression element. It gives the opportunity to say, alright then, this is my dance move and this is how me want it for look and this is how it go. Yeah? So, Blackanese, yeah man, one up right there, brother. You do it. Do you make them see it, yeah? Yeah man. Remember, you know, make sure say you have your people, them Instagram them something there and post them something there so your fans and your friends them can see. People you hear from the Grizzly Bear, Beer Vibes TV. I just Beer Vibes. I can't say nothing else than Beer Vibes. Blackanese, Beer Vibes, you. Beer Vibes. It's your boy Grizzly Bear, Beer Facts, Beer Vibes TV, and I'm out.
I be vibes in this, be vibes in this, vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this.